Hi, Manatee. It's week 2, and we are going to talk about internet safety. So, for my kindergarten, first, and second graders, on your bookshelf, notice that it says the green sign says primary K through 2 lessons. So, you're going to stay on the left side of the screen and you're going to go visit Clicky. He's going to talk to you a little bit about internet safety. And then on the globe, you'll find another little tip about internet safety as well. When you click on the globe, if you'd like to go and check out the list of 15 books that we're going to be reading this year on the Sunshine State Junior list, that is the icon to click on right here. And of course, last week we read a story and by Troy Cummings, Can I Be Your Dog? And so this week I found a kitty is the story that I'll be reading to the kids as well this week. So hope that you enjoyed this week's lessons. For the parents that are watching this with their kiddos, if you would like to check out a book online, the little guy here, little astronaut, that is our Sora app. And if you click on there, you can actually log in and check a book out online. If you would like to put a book on hold with books here at Manatee, if you click on this icon up here, you'll learn the directions on how to do that as well. And we're trying new procedures, so be patient with us. We're trying to accommodate everybody's requests and needs, and we're happy to do so. So have a great week learning about internet safety.